You scrub the counters, wipe the mirrors, mop the floor, yet somehow the shine doesn't last. The stains return, the glass streaks, and that fresh scent fades in hours. And you wonder, what am I doing wrong? What if I told you? The secret to a sparkling clean home isn't about scrubbing harder. It's about using the right ingredients, hidden in plain sight. Before I reveal these powerful secrets, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon, because what you're about to learn will change the way you clean forever. Why regular cleaning fails. We live in a world where every supermarket shelf screams solutions: chemical sprays, shiny bottles, promises of instant freshness. And yet, why do stains return? Why do odors linger? Why do we spend so much money only to feel disappointed? The truth is, most products mask problems. They don't solve them. They leave residues, fake fragrances, and sometimes even harm the very surfaces they claim to protect. What your home needs is not more chemicals, but smarter, natural ingredients that go deeper. The first secret: baking soda, the silent warrior. It looks ordinary. White powder, sitting in your pantry. But baking soda is a cleaning powerhouse. Sprinkle it on sinks, stoves, or even inside your fridge. And it doesn't just cover odors, it absorbs them. Add a spoonful to laundry, and whites look brighter. Scrub it gently on stubborn stains, and they disappear without scratching. Isn't it fascinating how something so cheap, so simple, can outshine the most expensive cleaning sprays? The second secret: white vinegar, the invisible cutter. Grease, soap scum, cloudy glass. White vinegar slices through them all. Mix equal parts vinegar and water, spray it on windows, and watch them turn crystal clear. Use it on tiles, and they shine like new. It doesn't just clean, it kills bacteria, neutralizes odors, and leaves no residue. And yet, most of us ignore this humble bottle while buying overpriced glass cleaners. Why? Because the simplest answers rarely come in fancy packaging. The third secret: lemon, the bright touch. Now picture this. You've cleaned your kitchen, but something feels missing. The shine is there, but the freshness isn't. Enter lemon. Slice it, rub it on cutting boards to kill odors, or squeeze a little into your cleaning spray. The citric acid dissolves grease, while the oils release a fragrance that feels like sunlight itself. Lemon doesn't just clean, it uplifts. Suddenly, your kitchen doesn't just look fresh, it feels alive. Please take a moment to leave a comment below and let us know about your favorite secret for sparkling clean. We'd love to hear from you. The emotional side of a sparkling home. But let's pause. Why do we crave sparkle so much? Because a clean home isn't just about hygiene, it's about emotion. A shiny sink lifts your mood in the morning. A fresh-smelling room calms you after a long day. Cleanliness creates mental clarity, reduces stress, and makes you proud of your space. These secret ingredients don't just clean your home, they protect your peace of mind. Mistakes people make. Yet, many people still fail. They pour in too much vinegar and can't stand the smell. They scrub too hard with baking soda and scratch surfaces. They drench fabrics with lemon juice and leave stains. The trick isn't in using these ingredients blindly, it's in using them wisely. Small amounts, gentle applications, patience. That's the real secret. Control. So, the next time you reach for a shiny bottle promising miracles, pause. Look into your pantry. Reach for baking soda. Open that vinegar bottle. Slice a lemon. Add a drop of essential oil. These are the secret ingredients for a sparkling clean. Every single time. Not surface sparkle, but true, lasting freshness. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more unconventional, powerful tips to make your home healthier, fresher, and happier. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, because sometimes the secrets we search for are right in front of us.